is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn fish. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.